This is a quick video on how you can enable the new dash cam feature which came with the version 9 software update for your Tesla Model 3. The first thing you're going to need is a USB flash drive. It needs to be formatted FAT32. It can be any size, but you need 1.8 gigabytes free for the recordings. And you need to have a folder on it on the root level called Tesla Cam, one word, with a capital T and a capital C, so TESLACAM. And then you need to install it in one of the front USB charging ports, which you can access in the center console. If you already have two cables connected, you may have to unplug one of those so that you can plug in and enable dashcam feature. Once you do, you will see a new icon that shows up that will tell you that you're now enabled, and then there's the new icon that shows up.